Hey guys, now let's talk about this thing. This is another way of finding out the sum angle property of a quadrilateral. That if you add all the angles inside any quadrilateral, the sum is always equal to 360 degrees. Now look at that. The question says consider the quadrilateral ABCD and let P be a point inside it. So it's talking about this guy, and I can see the point P is here. Alright, so that's basically inside the quadrilateral. So what I'm doing next is I'm joining A and P. I'm joining P with all the vertices A and B and C and D. So what I can see is these are four triangles formed. I can see there's a triangle here. That is nothing but PCD is a triangle. Then I can see another triangle here, that is PAD. Like that you have PAB and PBC. These are the four triangles I have. Alright, so with this information he's asking you to find the measure of all these angles. That is 1 plus 2, then angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 5, 6 and 7, 8. What happens if I add all of them? Okay guys, what is that we know in this case? I can see that if this is a point, any point inside the quadrilateral, it will have four angles here. And if you add all these angles, you can see a circle is being formed, obviously, and that should be equal to 360 degrees. We can see dynamically, if you move the point anywhere you want, I can see that all the angles adding up to give you 360 degrees. Beautiful. Right, that is nothing but x plus y plus z plus w, which are nothing but the angles at the center. Wherever you put the point is not a problem. You can always see that the angles may change, but if you add all these guys, you do get 360 degrees. So this is confirmed, so keep that in mind. That's the equation we need to be using. Okay, what is the next thing? I'm looking for the sum of these angles, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, we understand this dynamically what's happening. So any point we do is the situation, guys. So let's go ahead and do the problem. Let's move this aside. Okay guys, now we understand this is the same diagram. Now it's on the board. Now we had that is angle 1, that is angle 2, that is 3, that is 4, that's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So what we're looking for here is simple, guys, the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for that, let's do one thing. Let's consider this triangle, that is P, C and D, the first triangle. Let me draw it for you guys here. That is the triangle I'm talking about, that is P, C and D. That guy is P here, that's D, and that is C. Now what about this thing? That is X for me. Okay, that is nothing but 2 and that is 3. From the sum angle property of a triangle, I can definitely write that the sum of all these three angles, that is x plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degrees. Beautiful, we understand that. So can I just not find the value of x here? So I can write the angle x is nothing but 180 degrees minus angle 2 minus angle 3. Okay, that's my first equation. Can I do it with this guy also? So I can write the angle y can be written as nothing but 180 degrees minus the angle 5 minus the angle 4 in the same logic of this guy. So what about this guys? I can write z plus 6 plus 7 is 180. So I can write, so if you take this angle, I can write angle z plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is 180. So like that, if I have to find the value of angle z, I can write these two guys on the side, that is 180 minus angle 6 minus angle 7. Okay, we have the second equation here, we have the third equation here, and if you consider this triangle again, I can write the w, the angle w plus the angle 8 plus the angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. So I can write the angle w is basically equal to 180 degrees minus 8 minus 1. Okay guys, beautiful, we understand this much. Now we have four equations. Now we know one more thing. If you add all the central angles, that is x plus y plus z plus w, we got it to be 360. So let's do one thing. Let's put it all here. Angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w, that should be equal to 360 degrees. We already did this in the animation part, right? So it is nothing but the central angles basically. Now we also know that angle x is given by 180 minus angle 2 minus angle 3. I can write this guys 180 minus angle 2 minus angle 3. Okay, we got this. This plus sign comes here. What about angle y? Angle y is 180 minus, I can write 180 minus angle 5 minus angle 4. Okay, we got this. Now what about this guy? What is angle z? I can write this is 180 minus angle 6 minus angle 7. Okay, that is angle 7 here. Okay, we got it. Now the last one is angle w. Let me write that here, plus sign. Angle w is given by 180 minus angle 8 minus angle 1. Okay, that should be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, what's happening now is we have a 180, 180, 180 and another 180. There are four 180s. Let's write that 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. Okay, we got this much. Then we have angle 2 with a negative sign. There is angle 2 minus angle 3. Then you have minus angle 5 minus angle 4. Okay, minus angle 6 minus angle 7. And you do have these two guys, that is minus angle 8 minus angle 1 is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, what can I do? Can I add these two guys? That becomes 360. Okay, and adding these two guys will again give you 360. I mean, add these guys to give you 720. Let's keep it like this. Then what's happening? You have a minus angle 2 minus angle 3 1, and that should be equal to 360 degrees. Now look at this, what's happening. Can I cancel 1 360 and 1 360? Yes, of course I can. Now if I send all these guys on the other side, they would go on the other side with a positive sign, and let's 360 remain here. And what I'm doing is I'm writing the equal sign and putting all these angles on the other side. So I'll get angle 1, that is this guy here. It goes on the other side to become positive. This goes on the other side to become positive. So all these guys will become positive. So I can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8. And the sum of all these guys is nothing but 360 degrees. Now what are these guys? What is angle 1 and 2? So I can see that angle 1 and 2 is nothing but these guys. Look at that, angle 1 and 2 is angle C for me. Okay, so I can write this as angle C. Alright, and what is angle 3 and 4? Angle 3 or 4 is nothing but angle D. I can write that as angle D. Plus, what is angle 5 and 6? 5 and 6 is nothing but angle A here. So I can write angle A here. Plus 8 and 7. 7 and 8 is nothing but angle B for me. So I can write angle B. Now look at this, guys. Now that I can write that is equal to 360 degrees, and that is nothing much. The sum of all the angles in quadrilateral is nothing but 360 degrees. So it means this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 360 degrees. We got it.